Only about a year ago, we were celebrating Kyosho International's 60th anniversary with this, a rather tasty looking P1. It is now time to celebrate Kyosho Europe's 30th anniversary with this, the iconic McLaren F1. Now, if this is your first Mini-Z, you'll be glad to hear they come almost ready to go. All you need to do is install 4 AAAs into the transmitter and 4 into the car, and you will be ready to run. But anyway, that is enough talking. Let's get this thing open. And there we have it. Looking rather smart. Cue montage. Inside the box, you get a few other bits. In this bag, you will have your spare pinions and a few tuning options. You get a set of cones to mark out a track in your living room, and you obviously get your transmitter and manual. Now, moving this lot to the side, let's take a little more detailed look at the car. Now, the McLaren F1 has become very much of an icon over the years. It had a very unique central driving position and a gold-plated rear engine bay. Now, unfortunately, no gold engine bays here. How cool would have that been? However, we do get the MR04 chassis with all its various benefits. We have that lower centre of gravity motor pod and its adjustable ride height. Again, the lower centre of gravity battery tray, and up front, that revised suspension geometry. Now, if you are new to Mini-Zs, I will pop a link to a playlist in the description. It goes through just about everything that you need to know and to help get you started. As standard, the Mini-Zs come set in training mode, which is a 50% throttle. To take it out of that, all you need to do is pull full forwards and turn the transmitter on, wait for that green light, and you are good to go. Now, unfortunately, one downside to these cars are the tyres they come with. While they are just about okay for driving around the kitchen, they really do benefit from having a little extra grip. So I will pop a link in the description to a couple of different options. Out the box, these cars come with a 6-tooth pinion. However, in that bag, you do get those optional extras all the way up to a 9. So if you want to go a little faster, all it requires is removing the motor, switching the motor plates out and changing that pinion, and you will really notice the difference. Now, I have to admit, I'm finding it rather hard to decide whether I should take this car to the track or not. It just looks so good. However, I will let you guys decide that. Give me 1,000 likes and I will go take it for a rip. Now, in the meantime, why don't you let me know in the comments what you would do? Would you go out and race it, or would you display it nicely on the shelf? Well, that just about wraps this one up. Congratulations to Kyosho Europe on your 30th anniversary and for making another stunning Mini-Z. In the meantime, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. Otherwise, have fun driving wherever you are. I will see you in the next one.